What's really in your plant-based protein? Shocking ingredients and truth revealed. Have you ever looked at the ingredients on your plant-based protein and wondered, what's really inside this? Today, we're peeling back the curtain to reveal the truth about vegan protein powders. Are they really as healthy as they seem? Let's find out what hidden fillers, artificial additives, and questionable ingredients might be lurking inside, and how you can choose the best, safest options for your health. Stay tuned. Join me as I dive deep into the world of plant-based protein and challenge myself to uncover what's really in these products. Uncover the truth behind plant-based protein powders. Are you getting what you pay for? In this video, we dive into the ingredients and nutrition labels of popular plant-based protein powders to reveal what's really in them. From pea protein to hemp protein, we explore the good, the bad, and the ugly. Get ready to make informed choices about your protein supplements and take control of your fitness journey. Whether you're vegan, vegetarian, or just looking for a healthier alternative, this video is for you. Do you really know what's in your protein shake? Here's a quick overview of protein content in some common plant-based protein. Pea protein typically contains about 20 to 25 grams per 30 gram scoop. Hemp protein generally has about 15 to 20 grams per 30 gram serving. Hemp protein generally has about 15 to 20 grams per 30 gram serving. Pumpkin seed protein, roughly 20 to 25 grams per 30 gram serving. Soy protein isolate, often contains 20 to 25 grams per 30 gram roughly. The plant-based protein. Plant-based protein has gained immense popularity in recent years, driven by rising awareness of health, environmental sustainability, and ethical considerations. As more people seek alternative sources of nutrition, plant-based proteins have become a vital part of many fitness enthusiasts' routines and diets aimed at improving overall health. They offer a nutritious, often hypoallergenic option that can support muscle growth, weight management, and long-term wellness. With an increasing variety of high-quality options available, plant-based proteins are now recognized not just as an alternative but as a mainstream choice for those prioritizing a balanced, sustainable lifestyle. The common misconceptions about plant-based protein sources and the quality of ingredients found in many products on the market. A common misconception about plant-based proteins is that they are inferior to animal-based sources in terms of quality and complete amino acid profiles. While it's true that many plant proteins are lacking in one or more essential amino acids, combining different sources, like rice and pea protein, can provide a complete amino acid profile, making them just as effective. Another misconception is that all plant-based protein products are low quality or heavily processed. In reality, many high-quality products use minimally processed ingredients, focusing on clean, natural sourcing. However, some cheaper options on the market contain fillers, artificial flavors, or low-quality ingredients, which can diminish their nutritional value. Understanding ingredient labels and choosing reputable brands ensures you're getting a nutritious, effective plant-based protein supplement rather than a heavily processed or incomplete product. The various types of plant-based proteins, such as pea, hemp, and soy, and the nutritional profiles, benefits, and potential downsides of each. Pea protein. Nutritional profile: high in protein, 20 to 25 grams per 30 gram serving, rich in iron, and contains all essential amino acids, though slightly lower in methionine. Benefits: easily digestible, supports muscle growth, allergen-friendly, peanuts, soy-free, and has a neutral taste. Downsides: some people find it slightly gritty, and it may be lower in certain amino acids, so combining with other proteins can optimize benefits. Hemp protein. Nutritional profile: about 15 to 20 grams of protein per 30 gram serving, with good amounts of omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Benefits: rich in healthy fats and fiber, supports digestion, and is easy to digest. Downsides: lower in protein compared to pea or soy, with a nutty, earthy flavor that some may find strong or unappealing. Soy protein. Nutritional profile: around 20 to 25 grams per 30 gram serving, a complete protein containing all essential amino acids, along with isoflavones. Benefits: high quality, complete protein source, and versatile in cooking. Downsides: concerns about soy allergies and some debates about phytoestrogen content, though most research indicates it's safe for most people. Also, some prefer to limit intake due to GMO concerns, although non-GMO options are available. Each type offers unique benefits and potential drawbacks. Pea and soy are great complete proteins, while hemp provides additional omega-3s and fiber. Choosing a mix or the right type depends on individual dietary needs, preferences, and any allergen considerations. Reveal surprising findings from ingredient labels or studies that show additives, fillers, or allergens commonly found in plant-based protein products. Did you know that some plant-based protein products can contain hidden additives, fillers, or allergens? For example, certain vegan burgers or protein powders may include fillers like soy lecithin or stabilizers that aren't always obvious on the label. Even more surprising, some clean plant-based items have been found to contain traces of allergens like gluten or nuts, despite their plant-based claims. Always check ingredient labels carefully. Sometimes, what's hidden behind the label can be unexpected. Some surprising findings from ingredient labels and studies include: presence of fillers and artificial additives. Many affordable plant-based protein powders contain fillers like maltodextrin, artificial sweeteners, flavors, or preservatives to improve taste and texture, which can diminish their nutritional quality. Allergens and cross-contamination. Some products, especially those produced in facilities handling nuts, soy, or gluten, may contain traces of allergens despite not being labeled as allergenic, posing risks for sensitive individuals. Added sugars. Several brands include added sugars or sugar alternatives, increasing calorie content and negating some health benefits of the product. GMO ingredients. A significant portion of soy-based products are derived from genetically modified organisms, GMOs, which some consumers prefer to avoid, unless labeled non-GMO. These findings highlight the importance of reading labels carefully and choosing products from reputable brands focused on transparency and quality. The key takeaway is that not all plant-based proteins are created equal. Being informed about ingredient quality, processing methods, and potential additives helps you choose products that are nutritious, safe, and aligned with your health and ethical values. Reading labels carefully, prioritizing reputable brands, and understanding the differences in ingredients enable you to make educated choices, ensuring you get the most benefits from your plant-based protein sources while avoiding unwanted fillers, allergens, or contaminants. The importance of being informed about ingredient quality and making educated choices when selecting plant-based proteins. Being informed about ingredient quality is crucial because it affects the nutritional value, safety, and overall health benefits of plant-based proteins. Educated choices help ensure you're selecting products that are minimally processed, free from harmful additives, and sourced sustainably. Understanding ingredient labels and nutritional profiles enables you to make better decisions aligned with your health goals and ethical values, ultimately leading to a balanced and nutritious diet. Making informed decisions empowers you to optimize your health and support sustainable, ethical choices. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment below telling me your favorite plant-based protein, whether it's chickpeas, tofu, lentils, or something else. And if you're curious about other great protein sources, don't forget to check out my latest video on the best plant-based protein options. Looking forward to your tips and ideas. Have you ever been surprised by what you found in your protein powder? Share your story in the comments. What's the most confusing ingredient you've seen on a supplement label? Do you have a favorite vegan protein brand? Let us know below. Would you like me to review specific plant-based protein powders? Drop your suggestion. Thanks for watching and uncovering the truth about plant-based proteins with me. Remember, reading labels carefully and knowing what to look for can make all the difference in choosing healthy, safe supplements. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more health tips and honest reviews. Have questions or want me to review a specific product? Drop your comments below. I love hearing from you. Stay healthy and informed. See you in the next video.
Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more content like this. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you're notified whenever I post something new. I'd love to hear your thoughts, so leave a comment below and let me know what you think or if you have any suggestions for future videos. Stay healthy, and see you in the next video.